In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map or concept map with ChatGPT, specifically focusing on mind mapping your articles and summaries. Whether you're crafting an article, summarizing a book, or preparing a presentation, a mind map can be a real game changer for organizing your ideas. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Google homepage on your browser. It's as simple as that. Just open your preferred browser and type in Google, or click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on Google, move on to the search bar and enter ChatGPT. This will lead you to a list of search results where you'll find the official ChatGPT website. Clicking on this will take you directly to the platform where the magic happens. Once you've arrived on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign, usually positioned for adding new content. Click on this plus sign to initiate the process of setting up your document for mind mapping. Now, it's time to click on the Add Photos and Files option. This function allows you to upload documents containing the content you want to transform into a mind map, whether it's a report, an essay, or any other pertinent file you might be working with. With your files ready, select the document that contains the information you wish to focus on. This is a key step where you are essentially feeding the data into ChatGPT for further analysis and processing. After your document is loaded, you need to guide ChatGPT by typing a specific prompt that instructs it on what kind of information to extract. For instance, you can enter a prompt like, "Extract the key data points from this financial report and present them as a bulleted list." This instructs the AI to break down complex information into digestible chunks. Once your prompt is in place, the next step is to click Submit. This action allows the system to process your instruction and generate the output based on your request. Following that, you'll want to type another prompt that directs ChatGPT to create a mind map. A simple and effective prompt could be, "Generate a mind map from this." With this, you're instructing the AI to visualize and organize the information in a structured format that highlights the connections between various data points. Finally, hit Submit again to complete the process. ChatGPT will use its advanced algorithms to provide you with a mind map that effectively organizes the content you provided. This visual representation can help in understanding and recalling information, making your work more efficient and easier to manage. Remember, the key to successful mind mapping with ChatGPT lies in clear, concise instructions and utilizing the AI's capabilities to convert your documents into visual summaries. Happy mapping!